In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on this Ford F-350. This is located on the passenger side of your engine compartment. Let's get started. Once you've located the battery, you want to make sure that the one you're replacing it with is the appropriate type of battery and has the correct amount of cold cranking amps. Usually you can find that located on a sticker on your battery. Now, of course, you want to match also what the owner's manual says. So once you have the appropriate one, let's remove it. Typically, there's a hold down that goes across here with a bar on top and two threaded rods on each side. Unfortunately, mine is missing. As you can see right here, I have this rod, but this side is missing and there's nothing in the middle. With an 8mm socket, you should be able to remove all that and then move along. On the rear side of the battery, closest to the firewall, you'll find your negative battery terminal. Use an 8mm socket or wrench and loosen the mounting nut that holds this terminal down. Once it's loose enough, you should be able to wiggle it, pull it right off the battery. Set that aside. Similarly, on the front, you have the positive terminal. This is also supposed to have an 8mm mounting nut. Mine looks a little bit different because it's been changed, but same procedure. Loosen it up and remove the terminal. Set that aside. Now make sure you have a place to put this battery because once you take it out, it is heavy, so you want to be able to let go of it as soon as possible. Lift it and remove it. If there's any dirt or debris inside your battery tray, now is the time to clean it out. And if you had your new battery, you drop it right down in. At this point, it would be easiest if you secured it with that hold down right now. Always start by reconnecting the positive terminal first. So put the terminal over the post of the battery and make sure it goes all the way down. Take that same tool that you used to loosen this up and tighten it up. I can feel that that's starting to put a little bit of pressure on it, but you want to make sure that you don't continue tightening until this stops. That would be extremely tight. You just want enough pressure on it to not be able to spin it by hand like this. This is plenty snug. Even though it doesn't feel tight here, that's as much as you want to go. Any more and you'll stretch that terminal. Now let's reconnect our negative battery terminal. Make sure that this is loose enough to be able to go all the way down. Once you've driven it as far down as you want it to be, tighten it up with that 8mm wrench or socket. And I don't want to go until this stops just enough to not be able to spin it, even though this isn't fully bottomed out or anything like that. You don't want to stretch out the terminal. Also, if there's any corrosion on these connections, you want to make sure you clean that off. Mine are clean. And there you have it, battery's replaced.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.